So, I have replaced my little starter things with an entire hoop, and then I've thinned it, scarfed it, and tightened it up here. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to go from doing this braided to a 3-point, just to give me some leverage here. Oops, I'm going to go over that. I want to build this up in this area and this area so that I can start putting my stakes in it. So I'm going to do that by starting this. I'll probably do about 4 rows. That should give me enough here. So, and actually when I come up, I want to go under this. So I'm going to have to use my weave right tool, I think, to get that in there. But when you use that starter piece in there, it makes it so much easier than trying to get that to fit after the if you don't put one in there, which is a pain. So I'm just going to open it up a little bit, and actually I'm going to keep that in there so I can pull it through. Remember, you want to keep your weaver wet, and this is wet here, but not wet on the bottom, so I'm probably going to do something about that. So over I go, back through. Now I'll come down. This is 1, 2, 3. So on top of this, underneath this piece, over the top. And like I say, I'll do that for about 3 or 4 rows. And I'll catch this up here again.